Dealing with the loss of a loved one is a difficult and stressful time. Life insurance can reduce your family's financial worries and is often needed quickly to cover funeral costs and ongoing monthly bills. Most insurance companies understand this and try to make the process as quick and as simple as possible. The policy pays out the agreed cover as one lump sum cash payment, although some policies can pay a regular monthly payment. Generally, before you can claim on a life insurance policy, you will need to provide a death certificate. The government website will be able to help you get one. To make a claim, you should contact your insurance provider. You'll be able to find details on their website or within the original policy documents. Along with the death certificate, you'll need to complete a claim form, which the insurer will provide. In some cases, you may also need to send the insurer the original policy document. But don't worry if documents get lost over time. If you're unsure which provider the life insurance policy was with, the Association of British Insurers website can help point you in the right direction. To claim on a Scottish widow's policy, visit their website and they'll be able to help. For further practical support, speak to the Citizens Advice Bureau, or for emotional support, Cruise Bereavement Care can help.